Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Nenye's Diary. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, you are highly welcome. Then to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch me anytime I upload a video. It's not easy. Thank you so much and I really appreciate you all. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I've been going through, my struggles, content creating and all. So I'm going to be sharing that with you guys today, the reason why I've been away for some time. So before I continue this video, I want to use this medium to thank each and every one of you that reached out to me, my viewers, my subscribers, even YouTubers as well. They reached out to me on my social media handles, and some sent me emails. So I want to use this medium to thank you all for reaching out to me at my difficult times. So thank you so much, you all. You guys have really shown me that I have an army on this YouTube channel that loves what I do. So I'm super grateful. So yeah, the struggle is real. So I don't even know where to start this video because it's a whole lot for me. I've been going through a rough patch for some time now, my channel and life in general. So it has been a whole lot for me. To be honest with you guys, as I'm sitting down here today filming this particular video, I feel so hot deep down because I know what I've been going through. So I feel so hot filming this video this day. It has not been easy. The reason for my absence was that my channel got demonetized the second time. Yeah, my channel got demonetized the second time, and it has not been easy. Sometimes January my channel got demonetized and I filmed a video about that. If you have not watched that video, please go ahead and watch it. I'm going to leave the link in the description box. So today as I'm filming this video again, my channel got demonetized the second time and it has not been easy with me. The first time it happened, I took it upon myself. I was uploading videos without minding, without looking back what was going on my channel for almost 2 months. As at that time when I filmed that first when I filmed the first video about my demonetization, ads was not playing on my channel, but I took it upon myself. I said to myself, since you started and you got monetized so quickly, let me just take it as if I'm still looking for watch hour. But this second time it wasn't that way. It wasn't that way this second time. To be honest, like, this is not something to lie about. It got to a certain point that like I feel depressed of what was going on my channel. Since I started this YouTube channel, it has been a fight for me. It has been a fight. People don't really understand why I said it has been a fight for me, yeah, but it's really a fight. The struggle that comes with what is happening on my channel, on some other YouTubers, it has been a fight. But the demonetization, I was so heartbroken. Like, I don't know what I've done to deserve all this going on my channel. So yeah, this second time it happened again. For some weeks now, I've not been myself. For people that reached out to me, it's because I've not been uploading, because I know that a lot of people might say I have not been watching their videos. Nenye's Diary has not been watching their videos and have not been leaving comments. My dear, I'm so sorry for that, but people will not understand it from my own part, because when all these things was happening, at a certain point I even forgot that there is what we call YouTube app on my phone. Like, I don't even come to YouTube, I don't even do anything. Like, I was just like living. So that was the main reason why I've not been watching a lot of people's video and I've not been leaving some comments on their videos as well. So you guys should pardon me of that. Yeah, you guys should please pardon me. It has not been easy with me. So there's this adage my people used to say that yes, what it means is that there's nobody that all these things are happening around them. Maybe their channel getting demonetized the second time and they will be happy. So I am not happy the way it's happening, and I'm not happy that it's happening to me, and I won't be happy that it will happen to someone else. So yeah, and I pray that someday everything will get back to normal. So yeah, so when all these things was happening, I have not been myself. it takes a lot of courage for me to start uploading for the second time. People were not like, a lot of people that reached out to me was like, even if it's once a week, that I should try and be uploaded so that I will not lose my viewers and my subscribers as well. But deep down, I know that it's not that easy for me. Like, you know what it means for you to come and sit down on your camera or your phone filming a video that you know that you're not like, after everything as ads we still play on it. You know why? Because like I've been monetized like 2 times and I got demonetized again. So I've not it was not really sitting down with me so well. So I'm here today filming this video because it was highly requested from my subscribers and my viewers and YouTubers, content creators as well, that I need to tell my subscribers for the love they have for me to come and be watching my videos. So I need to tell them what I'm going through and all. So I'm filming this video for you guys to know what is actually happening with me, my channel. If you guys must have noticed, like in my I think a video I posted last week or so, ads was not playing on it. Ads was not playing on it and all. So a lot of my videos ads was not playing. So I'm filming this video for you guys just to share with you guys how I'm feeling and life in general, because when all these things was happening, I was having a lot of challenges that doesn't concern YouTube as well. So the thing really weighed me down, that I have to deal with my daily life. I have to deal with my YouTube channel, demonetized the second time. I have to deal with a lot of things. All these things, they all came together and it was not sitting down well with me. And demonetization of my channel was the main reason while I've been absent, not because of my life challenges or what I've been facing through on my daily lives, but the whole scenario about getting demonetized, demonetization, demonetized again, demonetization. Nobody, like, as a content creator, like, you will feel hurt the way I'm feeling right now, because it's not easy to be creating content all of a sudden you got demonetized the first time, the second time and all. It's not like easy with me, and I know that so please keep on watching. Hopefully, I know that soon next my channel will be back the way it was before. And yeah, this is